Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our channel. This is Caitlin from Shumatt, China. We specialize in the common rail inject, and today we want to show you some of our products. Look at this one. This is the injector repair kit. And for this one, it can be used these types fuel injector. Okay, let's check the details for our product. As you can see, on these packaging bags, you have the label, right? The first line is the model number. Model number is the 64060033126. This line is the product name, injector repair kit. Actually, maybe some customers, if you have your own brand, if you want to design your own logo, the packaging bags, your own logo or your own labels, and you can contact us. Yes, with Shumatt, we can supply you this kind of customized services. Any demands, and you can contact us. Okay, actually, I will go to our fuel injector and let's to see the adaptable injector repair kit. For our product, this is the whole side for our fuel injector. Let's open it to see the inside accessories. For our packaging bags, it's recyclable, can be used in many times. Oh, there still have a red one in the inside. I will got it. Okay. As you can see, we have different colors, and we have different size of our sealing rings. Yep, okay. Let's see. We have different colors and we have the different size, and so it can be better distinguish the different part used in the fuel injector. Look at this one, this brown one. This brown one can be used in the outside part. You can see on this part the fuel injector. This one is the brown one, right? And when you exchange it, you can put it on the on this part. On that positions. And we have the other colors, and some of the sealing rings they used in the outside part, and some of the sealing rings they used in the inside part, right? And for this whole side, it can be used in the fuel injector. And when you exchange the accessories, it can be used it. And for our sealing rings, it can be better protect the fuel injector and can be avoid the air, the liquid, and also our sealing rings can be better avoid avoid loose, can be connected tightly for this one, for this fuel injector. And actually, we also have the red cap. This one can be used in the nozzle, this part. Yep. Okay, actually this is this too. For this one, it's the materials is different from the other sealing rings. This is the whole side. we have the 6 months warranties about our product. During the warranty time, if you are not satisfied with the qualities or any other situations if you met, and you can contact us and we will exchange the product for you. Don't worry about that. And also with the recap on this part. Okay, that's all about our product details. If you have any questions or if you have any problems about our fuel injector or the repair kit, and you can contact us. We will figure it for you. Actually, we have the many types of our fuel injector and our injector repair kit, right? If you are not familiar with our product, if you are not familiar with the model numbers, you can send us and we can help you to check it. And also, you can download the app. Actually, maybe some customers, if you are curious about the warranties for our product, we have the 6 months warranties. During the warranty time, if you are not satisfied with the qualities, and you can contact us, we will exchange the product for you. Okay, that's all about our today's product details, except that we also supply the injector, the nozzle, the repair kit, the pumps. Also, we supply the parts for the pumps. Any items, if you are interested, remember to follow us at the YouTube and the Facebook account. And any problems, welcome you to contact us. Okay, actually, each week we have different videos and live show on the YouTube and Facebook account. If you are interested about our videos and our product, remember to follow us at the Facebook and the YouTube account. Any problems, welcome you to contact us. Okay, today that's all. And thank you for your watching. See you next time. Bye bye.